Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are having a great day today. It is just 2:30 in the afternoon and I am filming my second video. I just can't be happier than this. So recently in one of my videos, I shared all the lip balms that I am using currently and also their mini review where I talked about tints, staying power and did I like them or not. So I thought of doing a similar video for moisturizers as well because I do use a lot of moisturizers. So I just thought I'll show you those moisturizers and also tell you guys what I feel about them. When I was picking up all the moisturizers before filming this video, I realized I use about 10 moisturizers. Like, what? Who I am? What is this behavior? Who does that? For sake of this video, I just picked 6 of them that I use very frequently. So yeah, if you want to know what all face moisturizers I've been using currently, then please keep on watching. Also, if you have not subscribed yet and enjoy watching me, then please consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I am putting my video. So yeah, let's finally get started. Okay, so the first moisturizer is this one from Pond's. It is their Pond's Light Moisturizer, non-oily, fresh feel for soft and glowing skin, vitamin E plus glycerin. Now I really don't know if I have talked enough about this product, but this is so good. Like, this is seriously very amazing. I'll show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. It's almost over. I think this is my second or third tub and this is such a huge tub. Like, it's so difficult to finish this up, but because I just love it, I just love it, and this is what I use in morning most of the time. I have dry skin and it hydrates my face so nicely without making it look greasy, and it feels so fresh and so light on the skin. I just love it. This is one moisturizer that I will repurchase every time, like every bloody time. I love it that much. So yeah, and the best part is it is so affordable. Like, it is seriously so affordable. For 250 ml of product, you're paying just $2.99. Like, what is it? Next up, I have this Olay moisturizing cream. I just picked it up because of its cute packaging. Can you see? It looks so gorgeous in person. So I just picked it because of its packaging. So this works just like any other good moisturizing cream. So there's nothing special or new about this product. So that is why it is not like my favorite moisturizer, because I have used similar products in the past and there was nothing that could keep me hooked to this product. Also, I finished this up very recently, so I cannot really show you how this looks, but it is a thick textured cream with slight hint of peach into it. The price of this product is almost erased from the bottle, so I cannot tell you how much it costs, but I will mention all the prices of the products on the screen and a description box as well, so please make sure to check that out. Next up, I have this moisturizer from Plum. It is their Caring Day Moisturizer with vitamin E. Now this has very thin consistency and it's very lightweight. It smells good as well, but the best part about this moisturizer is its tube packaging, because most of my moisturizers are in tub form, so it is just like a change. And also it is travel friendly because it will not take much of the space. I'll show you how it looks. It feels so light on the skin and hydrate the skin as well. It smells good as well. So yeah, I really like this moisturizer, and every time I see this product on discount, I just order one. Next up, I have this Cetaphil moisturizing cream, which is in such a bad shape because it's almost over. Every time I just have to squeeze it so hard to get some product. I guess it's time to throw this up. So this is very famous Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It says it is long lasting intense hydration for daily use, non-greasy, non-irritating, won't clog pores, and it's also hypoallergenic. Now if you have extremely dry skin, then only you are going to like this product. If you come under normal or oily skin category, you will just feel so heavy and greasy on your face. So all the normal and oily skin people, just stay away from this product. It's a fragrance free product which is little heavy and little greasy on the skin, because it does provide intense hydration. And yeah, whenever my skin feels unbearably dry, this is what I go to. So it is like that, you know, non-fancy stuff that actually works. Very normal packaging, it doesn't have any smell as well, but yeah, it really works. Oh. I got something finally. Okay, so yeah, this is how it blends into the skin. It is a little heavy, it's a little greasy, as I have already told you, so it's not like for everybody. It is completely fragrance free. It is so good. I really like this stuff. Next up, I have this light hydrating moisturizer from Simple. I must say how refreshing this packaging is. It claims to be kind to skin, no artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemical that can upset your skin, no alcohol, no paraben, no animal derived ingredients, 12-hour moisturization. I might not agree to their 12-hour moisturization claim, because it is lightweight and you need to apply it after 3 to 4 hours, so it in no way provides 12-hour moisturization. But apart from that, this is so good for normal to dry skin people. People with extremely dry skin might not like this, because as I said, it's lightweight and it will not give you the kind of hydration or moisturization that your extremely dry skin actually need. So you might want to go with Cetaphil that I just showed, or maybe Pond's moisturizer, but not this one definitely. This is a nice product, undoubtedly. It has like a very subtle smell to it, nothing crazy, and it is very lightweight and it will absorb in my skin in no minute. So yeah, it is a nice mild moisturizer for normal to dry skin. I do not fall into like extremely dry skin category, so this works fine for me. And anyway, I apply facial oil after using this one, so yeah, I do not have any issues with this being very subtle moisturizer. The next and last in the list is this Hydrotonic from Dermafique. Now, I have talked about this product a lot of times on my channel. Since I first used this, I instantly fell in love with this product. It is so good, and I think it's a sort of a dupe for Clinique Moisture Surge, and it feels so light on the skin, but it hydrates your skin so good. It is extremely light on your skin, but it hydrates your skin like magic, and I absolutely recommend this product. I literally love this so much. I have done a complete review of this product. You can check it out here. I will also mention in the description box, so go check it out for a complete review. But in short, this is magic. I literally love this one. It smells kind of nice, and yeah, and how cute is this packaging. I have almost finished this up, but when you'll see the new bottle, it looks amazing. It looks so cute. That's it, you guys. Those were 6 face moisturizers that I've been using currently, and yeah, I just hope you like this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.